I wanted a garden railway. I had a lawn which, if the train went all the way around it, would be a decent run. Then we had, of course, various visits to the American West Coast, which prompted an interest in the San Diego trolley system. The layout is a very simple circular loop with two passing sidings, passing loops I think you call that. In addition to that, there is a tram layout or a tram circuit which begins at the San Diego main line station, crosses the track to get into the town centre, and then crosses the track back again to get outside the main line so that it can go to San Capistrano. All these names, of course, are based on our holiday visits to California. of the buildings here are made from low density concrete, which you buy in B&Q or some such. Their blocks are about 90p a piece, and you need perhaps 2 to build a superb block of flats like is in the video. You focused on that for a while, and it's very, very easy to chisel and saw and scribe the surfaces to make interesting looking walls and buildings, and I have a great joy in doing that and putting lights inside them. The railways has been an abiding, deep, lasting, and I can see it going on into the future, a hobby of very great interest indeed. Building a railway, of course, is perhaps even the greatest fun of all. I know people who break up a railway for the sheer fun of building it again or building another one.